This is Warren Workmore. Warren is the commercial manager at Medifacture, a Manchester-based manufacturer who has recently adopted SASE. Warren works remotely and hates raising tickets with the IT team. He's also not aware of his colleague in the sales team who is planning to leave the business and cause some trouble as they go. Warren is reviewing a sensitive contract when a machine in his factory breaks. He needs to order an emergency part as soon as possible. Warren saves his progress on the contract, accidentally creating a backup in the company's commercial department's OneDrive. He receives a notification of his upload and sets a password immediately. Warren begins his research into finding a replacement part of the machine. Starting on Google, he begins comparing prices for the new part. One site has the right product for a fraction of its normal price. He tries to access the site, but moves on after his access is denied, claiming that the site must be blocked. Warren needs to raise a purchase order. He logs into the company gateway so he can access the purchasing platform from home. He obtains the PO number and continues to confirm his purchase. The machine is successfully repaired and in record time, without any security risk. How did SASE impact Warren? Risk of data breach or malware infection was mitigated by blocking Warren from accessing a potentially toxic website. Sensitive information was protected from the disgruntled colleague. Warren could access the sensitive platforms he needed with a quick verification of his ID while working from home. Warren was able to access the core network without disruption while working from home. Warren was protected from multiple potential threats while working remotely. Warren was in a predefined user group that allows him to access documents within applications and limits his access to other departments' resources. Due to ZTNA controls, it never trusts and always verifies, making sure only colleagues with the correct permission can access. The disgruntled colleague couldn't view the contract because they didn't have access to the commercial OneDrive. Because Medifacture are reliably protected, they can now benefit at scale from reduced security risk. Medifacture were able to mitigate security risks without disruption. Reduced IT tickets. Warren didn't need to raise any IT tickets for security concerns, saving his own and the IT team's time. Minimised employee disruption. Medifacture could resume production as normal quickly, minimising the impact on their customers. Pre-configured access control. Medifacture can view, analyse and limit access by verifying employee identities. Increased employee efficiency by limiting access to applications that employees shouldn't need.